as the editor have to sort of navigate that relationship between your agency team and your director and hope that they're all getting along, and that's not always the case. You have hired me because you trust my decision making on some level. If I am not there with an opinion, what am I doing? I'm not doing my job.
You're using the word they. So who are we talking about? No, you fell into my trap.
The way that the commercial post process works in the US is different than it works basically anywhere else in the world, wherein the directors for American stuff are generally, consulted and hired and utilized really like pre-production through production. And then after production, it tends to be that they can sort of be as involved or not as they want to be, but essentially the agency creative team are really the ones who then take over creatively, and they're the ones sort of driving the edit and the decisions that are getting made. And so my role is often sort of I have to sort of be the messenger for both sides. And so I think in general, unless something has gone crazy wrong on set or something, the agency team usually like they do want the director's feedback. They want that you want to know how, we let them know how things are evolving and what the cuts are looking like and what kinds of requests we're answering and why this is happening or whatever. And they do generally want like, some kind of feedback or collaboration. However, they really aren't like, it's not like come in the room, they're not like on the couch with us. Whereas, when I work with foreign directors, they're just like, I don't understand this. Like everywhere else, we get hired and we stay on through the entire offline process and we're like in the trenches. And so it is a different way of working. And I don't know why it is that way, but nothing is consistent in terms of like how involved the director is going to be or how, as the editor have to sort of navigate like that sort of relationship and that dynamic between your agency team and your director and hope that they're all getting along. And that's not always the case. So then you have to kind of manage that. But yeah, it can be kind of everything. It can be any kind of situation. Sometimes I'm working on director's cuts because they're horrified by what has become of the film, and other times the director's just like, this is great, yay, go team. My perspective is you have hired me because you trust my decision making on some level. And so if I am not there with an opinion, then what am I doing? I'm not doing my job. So I feel like I always have an opinion. I always have a reason for why something is going to work better this way or not this way, or, whatever the case may be. And I'll always offer that because that's what they're paying me for. They're not paying me to just push the buttons and work the machine. However, once I've stated it, and I'm always working toward the end goal of making the best thing that we can make and having everyone's voice heard in the room and all that. Where it goes from there is really not up to me. So I can say, this works better than this. And they can go, yes, you're right, let's do that. Or they can go, yeah, we want that one. So what they do with that is entirely up to them. But I feel like it's my job to have opinions, and it's my job to offer up solutions that can be found editorially. So
I'm gonna push a little further. You're using the word they. So who are we
sorry.
talking about? No. You fell into my trap. Who are we talking about? We're talking about the director, talking about the producer. Are we talking about Weight Watcher, the
Yeah.
company? Are we talking
Yeah.
about the executives? Like how many are
How
there
many
in the
days
they?
are there?
Yeah.
There's a million theys, but my immediate they in the hierarchy of this is the agency creative team. So that's essentially an art director, a copywriter, and a agency producer. And so that's the core team that is like sitting on my couch in my bay all day, and we're making these decisions together. So beyond that, then it's their bosses within the agency It's their boss's bosses within the agency. It's the client. Usually there's a couple rungs of clients, depending on, we go from the marketing team to the whoever to the CFO to the CEO. And then there's the director. And so there are kind of all these layers of theys. But the ones who are like in the room with me, I think most often when I'm saying they, I'm referring to the agency creatives. I mean, I don't think it's unlike other editorial roles where, I'm basically given the ingredients and then, we kind of make it happen. Now it depends too on like if something is like super well boarded and like or very technical and like there's a lot of choreography on the set with the cameras or the subjects or whatever. And some of those things where like maybe a lot of the editorial decisions are sort of made ahead of time. And then there's the flip side of that where we're just gonna roll on a bunch of stuff and we're gonna find it in the edit, which is actually I love when that happens because that's where I get to, I think, like, have the most fun with, coming up with ideas and showing the clients something they might have ever thought about. So yeah, it really varies job to job.